Good day everyone! In this video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gawin itong cover ng ating mini fan. So, ang crochet cover ng ating mini fan. So, part 1 lang po ito. Yung base lang muna ipapakita ko. So, first, we are going to make 5 single crochet. And then, we will add 1 single crochet. And then, we'll make 2 single crochet into the 5th chain. Then, we'll make 1 single crochet into the 3 chains. At dito naman sa last na chain, we will make 3 single crochet. So, next is we will make 1 single crochet into 3 chains. So, 1 single crochet in every chain. And then, after this, we will make an increase. So, it means 2 single crochet into the last chain. And then, to end this round, we will make a slip stitch. So, this is for the round 1. For the round 2, we are going to make 2 increase. So, it means sa kada butas o sa kada stitch, gagawa tayo ng 2 single crochet. So, gagawa tayo ng dalawa. So, 2 single crochet and then sa next ay gagawa tayo ng 2 single crochet ulit. So, after this, yung 3 consecutive na stitches, gagawa tayo ng 1 single crochet in every stitch. Next, we are going to make 3 increase. So, it means tatlong stitches, gagawa tayo ng dalawang single crochet. So, 1 and 2. And then, next stitch is another increase. So, 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet. And then, next is, i-repeat lang natin yung ginawa natin sa kabilang side. So, sa 3 na stitches, gagawa tayo ng 1 single crochet. So, dito sa pinaka-last ay mag-i-increase po tayo. So, 1 increase lang. So, it means 2 single crochet sa last na stitch. And then, to end this round, gagawa din lang tayo ng slip stitch again. For the third round, so 1 chain and then make 1 single crochet. Next is, we are going to make an increase. So, 2 single crochet. Next stitch is 1 single crochet. And then, in the next stitch is increase or 2 single crochet. So, next, we are going to make 1 single crochet sa 4 na mga stitches. So, next, we will make an increase. So, gagawa tayo ng 2 single crochet dito sa butas na to. And then, 1 single crochet. Susunod ay 2 single crochet. And then, another 1 single crochet. And then, 2 single crochet. Sa susunod naman, gagawa tayo ng 1 single crochet or 4 single crochet sa 4 na stitches. And then, pagdating dito sa pinaka-last, gagawa tayo ng 1 increase or 2 single crochet. And then, we will lock this third round with a slip stitch. So, now check natin kung okay na ba. So, ayan. So, ito yung puwet ng ating mini fan. So, I think kasya na siya. So, see you sa ating part 2. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone!